Good morning, my beautiful people. Istimosaocha moja mogal goinkar bawano ani boinanos. This goes out especially to Assagao, and this goes out to all the builder lobby who is coming to Assagao. This goes out to all the construction people who is getting all the construction in Assagao in the name of development and spoiling and destroying our pristine environment. Now, well, let me come to a very important and specific topic. Now, as you all know, Assagao is a valley. Assagao's name, Assagao now is called as Valley of Flowers. It's 9.5 kilometer in radius, surrounded by hills with beautiful trees and different shades of greens. Now this is Assagao. Now entire Goa gets 4 meter of rain. Means what? Now if you accumulate, if you collect that rain, that means the water gonna reach 4 meter. 4 meter ache amka udik meota every year or more. I don't know. But the irony of the situation is that we don't have water in Assagao for 4 months. All the wells get dried. Now this is the story of Assagao. Now otherwise, anyone from Assagao, you all know, and the people, this message goes out to the diaspora across the globe. If you know anybody from Assagao, please, Sachit Bomkar, good morning to you. I'm live right now. The only thing I'm live right now, there's a reason I'm responding. Respond kota kon maka message karta हांका Sachit Bab. So Assagao 4 महिने उदीक असना 4 meter पावस पडटा हिंगा Assagao. Why? Because there are hundreds tankers goes every day to roadar रावशी Assagaoचे टँकर वयता कोणाक स्विमिंग पूल भरपाक constructionanक workersank not construction but only site ha villa बांदपाक त्यांका वयता उदीक and all the water which is आणि त्यांच्या property समज बाय हा if the construction is going on, the construction we are talking about 15-20 villas only villa constructions, 20 villas are getting constructed. Now what is the topic? The topic is the water we don't have. Now I will give you the best example. I'll give you the best example what my neighbor has done without his permission, because I could see from here. There's the reason I wanted to show early in the morning after my yoga class. I just wanted to show you all. Yam chekelata Cesaran. This is my neighbor. What a beautiful thing over there. Meaning, as you all know, Assagao is the valley, and as the water gonna come down, as you can see here, the water gonna seep in to this rubble. Iti sogli akki tiji property. Imoji Cesarachi property. This is my neighbor's property. Ata akke udik etele inga adkon uttele. All the water will come and accumulate here, and the water will get blocked here, and the water will get seeped in. Now that means what? It's a water replenishing plan. The water will get into the land, and the water table from the wells will get recharged. Now this is the simple and beautiful idea. I wish all this multinational from Assagao, अरे मोदी जी सुन रहे तो सुनो यार, तेका खुंयच्या ओ प्रमोद सावंत तू काय सांगता रे साहेबा. आमचे आसगांवची पहिले सुवातेर लावन सोडल्या वाट आमचे जाला सारखे हे Beverly Hills of Goa is Assagao, and Assagao all the locals are suffering because of the water. And where the water is going? The water is going to all the builder lobby, which your department is giving licensing to build and waste all our water. And who is suffering? Who has to pay the price? The local has to pay the price. And as you can see this example, I'm giving the simple example. Look at this, such a beautiful example what I have created. Now this rubble, all the water will seep in. Now sogle udik ata zomnin bitor hoitale कितले बरें काय म्हणटा जाल्यार सगळें उदीक जमनीन गेल्ले कारणान आमचे वॉटर टेबल चार्ज जावप म्हणजे कितें आमच्यो बांयो भरप. Wait, there's somebody else. Tejas Bab, Tejas, thank you for your inspiration. आता हे आतां एवरी हांव कित्याक सांगता हें सगळें भाडकारांक कित्याक सांगता स्पेशली अरे बाबा तुमची येद्यो येद्यो प्रॉपर्टी आहा कित्याक रे तुमी विकीत सुटल्या कित्याक रे तुमी कंस्ट्रक्शन करीत सुटल्या आतां जाता मरे कंस्ट्रक्शन simple create an example please create an example by digging a hole and putting the rubble inside आणि उदीक सोडा भितर तुमच्या प्रॉपर्टीनी let it be तुमच्या बायनी कित्याक उदीक सोडना तुमची समज प्रॉपर्टी आहा ही तुमची समज ही प्रॉपर्टी आहा तुमच्या प्रॉपर्टीनी कित्याक तुमी उदीक मर्ज करना कित्याक रिप्लेनिशिंग सिस्टम तुमच्या प्रॉपर्टी घालना फकत तुमी प्रॉपर्टी तुमची बिल्डूच करूंक जाणा तुमची प्रॉपर्टी फकत विलात काडूंक जाणा भाड्याक दिवंक जाणा आनी सगळें विकूंक जाणा असलें कितें करा मरे सिंपल पळय मरे सायबा and this goes out to all the builders who are building the shitty constructions in Assagao, dirty constructions in Assagao and spoiling the pristine beauty of Assagao. That's the water. At least something do something like this. Ata bhai they all villa banta such big villas they are building. Why can't they build a 10 crore multi-crore villa they are building here and all the big builders are here in Assagao. Now if you have that, why don't you build a tank? 1 लाखाची 50,000 लिटरांची टँक कित्याक बांदना पोनाक? It's simple. Why don't you build a tank and water harvesting? Every year we get 4 meters of the rain, so you fill the water and then you utilize the water for rest of your life or rest of the year. Simple as that. So in this simple request, I would like to request the authority to take this little serious because now it's summer season and we won't get water. And I know for sure every year the same story. And if we don't get, we are at least capable of buying the tanker. But what about the poor people who are only relying on the well? They only rely on the water from the well and the wells get dried. So I will end up this conversation हांव इतलेंच सांगून काबार करूंक सोदता म्हजे मोगाल गोंयकार भावा भयणांनो एटलीस्ट तुमची समज प्रॉपर्टी आहा भाडकान तुमकां उलो मारता तुमचे समज व्हडल्यो प्रॉपर्टी आहा जाल्यार अहें कितें करात मातसो व्हडलो होंडो मारात तितून घालात तुमी लॉबरांनी सारकें पुरोवन घालात आनी सगळें उदीक तुमी जिरोनी आमच्या धर्तीन जिरोनी आनी हे धर्तीन जिल्ले कारणान आमचो वॉटर टेबल चार्ज जावन केजो आमच्या बांयचो नाल्यार आमची बांय सुकच्यो ना. So early morning तुमकां इतलेंच सांगून हांव काबार करता देव बरें करूं Felicums to you all the way from Assagao and this example what I want to create for you all as water replenishing plan for you so that you give your future your children a better visual of green nature. देव बरें